Welcome to Interior Design YouTube channel. Elevate your living environment with the allure of aesthetic bedroom wall designs that transcend the ordinary. These designs are not mere decoration but gateways to personal expression and creative ambience, embracing a variety of style from minimalistic to vibrant eclecticism. These walls become a canvas for individual taste. The integration of textures, patterns, and color palettes adds depth, transforming a bedroom into a sanctuary of visual delight. A strategic placement of wall art, be it tapestries, paintings, or unique wall decals, contribute to a curated aesthetic that reflects your personality. Lightning plays a pivotal role, casting a warm glow on these captivating walls, creating a cozy and inviting atmosphere. The fusion of functionality with artistic flair define these aesthetic bedroom wall designs, offering a space that is not only visually striking but also deeply resonant with your unique style and sensibilities. Experiment with the juxtaposition of contrasting elements such as vintage inspired decor against a modern backdrop or nature inspired murals, harmonizing with contemporary finishings. Consider incorporating smart storage solutions seamlessly into the design, maintaining a clutter free and sophisticated appearance. A mix of textures like plush textiles or textured wallpapers adds a tactile dimension to the visual appeal. By choosing a cohesive color scheme that resonates with your preferences, you ensure the harmonious flow that ties the entire room together. Ultimately, these aesthetic bedroom wall designs serve as an invitation to step into a realm where creativity meets comfort, transforming your bedroom into a personalized oasis of style and relaxation. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe, and like Interior Design channel.